How to order from Temu in Pakistan. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can order from Temu in Pakistan. So if you want to order from the Temu in Pakistan, you have to follow this step. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you will be able to order from Temu in Pakistan. So first of all, you have to simply open up your account. So once you have opened up your account here, you have to log into your Temu account. So once you have been logged into your Temu account, first you have to check whether you can make purchase or whether you can make purchase or order items from your Pakistan or not using your Temu account. So when you open your Temu account here, you have to just go and right click on that and you have to just go for the add to cart or so you have to first of all check that you will be able to buy anything from your Temu app or not. After checking that, you have to just go for your new tab and search for the Temu finds here. So you have to just go for the temufinds.com. So once you are on this official page of Temu Finds, so here you have to write that does Temu ship to Pakistan or not. So here you can see the search result. Does Temu ship to Pakistan? So here you can see that. Does Temu ship to Pakistan? Here you have to read this article. When you have searched for that section that Temu ship to Pakistan or not, through this article you can see that. So the direct answer is no. You can see that simply you can see in this article the Temu cannot ship to Pakistan. So here you can read this article here and you can simply see the direct answer is no. So the purpose of this video is to inform you about the authentic information for the problem that you are looking for. So it says that you cannot solve from the Temu app from your Pakistan that you are located in the Pakistan. So if you want to know more detailed information, keep reading on the guide below and you will know the exact reason for that. So from this video, you can know about the Temu ship to Pakistan or not. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.